Okay, so a couple of words more about this charger for my cordless drill, because I think I got really lucky here. I was using it in my another workshop where I do all the heavy stuff like cutting steel, welding, grinding, you know, all this messy stuff. And yeah, those vents, all those fragments of metal went to the board. You can see in the photo now how did it look like. And the fact that I only managed to, okay, there was some short, right, most probably from one of those fragments, tiny pieces of metal. And the fact that only 2 diodes were broken, were blown, and the fuse, of course, because the diodes made a short. Nothing else was damaged. The transistor is fine. The control chip is fine. I got lucky. I got really lucky. And by the way, you can see one of those diodes. I replaced all of them. Here is the diode. You can see it's a short circuit in both directions, actually in both directions. How should it look like when you measure it in reverse? There should be nothing, and in forward there should be some voltage drop. So this diode is good, it's new, right? So what I'm going to do is I have something like this here. It's called organza. It should protect those vents, fragments. I already cut them. It should protect those vents without restricting the airflow. So I will put it here, and I won't use a glue alone. I will use a soldering gun with this tip. I don't use this tip, so I can use it for this. Maybe I will use some glue after that. I got something like this. It's for the soft PVC and for the hard PVC. This, I don't know if it's soft or hard. Maybe it's hard. Okay, I know next to nothing about plastics, gluing plastics, different kinds of plastic. It's ABS, so you can see it's written here, ABS. I don't know if it's hard or soft. And by the way, here's the model of the charger if you're interested. Graphite. Yeah, so let's try doing it. Let's see what happens. I don't know if it's a good idea, honestly. I'm doing it for the first time. Oh, organza is okay. It's not a good idea, most probably. No, I think I will have to use a glue, because you can see what happens. Okay, so the glue is here. Let's try it. Yeah. This way, no, this way. It will be better this way. I would think so. No, this way. Yeah. I have no idea if what I'm doing is the proper way to glue it or not, really. But the time will tell, right? I don't know if it's the right kind of glue. I use the one for the rigid plastic. Well, we will see when it dries out what will happen. Looks fine.